What is up, lock picking newbie here, and today I have another ABUS lock. ABUS locks have proven to be pretty good locks. This is an ABUS Titanium. It's a 64 Ti/40. I'm guessing Ti is for titanium. 64 Ti/40. Little keyway on this bad boy. Pretty nice, solid feeling lock. ABUS is usually a pretty good lock. I think I'm going to try my new raking tool that I got in the mail yesterday. I'm going to use this new tension rod from the Genesis kit, and let's give it a little bottom of the keyway tension, and let's see if this rake will go in. It does. And got a little rotation already. There we go. Now we're seated fully in. Oop. I lost my counter rotation. It snapped back. I'm trying to use really super light tension on this bad boy. Let's try it again. A little lighter tension this time. There we go. Key is in. I haven't had much luck raking ABUS locks because they're usually a quality lock. Let me spin it around this way so I can actually see it. There we go. That's better. That's better. Light on the tension and a little raking action, and there it is. The lock is opened. Wow. Okay, I didn't think I'd be able to rake open a ABUS lock, but it did. So let's look at the bitting on the key. That's a pretty light bitting for an ABUS lock. Let's see if it'll focus on it. There we go. Yeah, it kind of looks like a rake. So that might explain that one. Pretty light bitting. Okay, well, the ABUS lock has been raked. Wasn't expecting that. I thought I was going to have to single pin pick it, but the rake popped it open. So that's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching. As always, have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Lock picking newbie out.